Okay, this is Ryder's first time eating chicken, and I wish I got the first 2 bites on video because it was so stinking funny. But let me see if I can do it again. I'm not quite sure if he likes it or not. I see a little smile in there. You want another bite? Still getting over that one, I guess. Ryder. Had to force that one to him. He's like choking on it. Here's the milk. Something to wash it down. He's like, oh, that's better. Let's try another bite. Let me take this away. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay. Here we go again. Chicken! He's already cringing. He's like not opening his mouth at all. Poor guy. Maybe it's dry chicken. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty gross in the jar. Let me show you. It looks and smells like cat food. Not a fan of chicken, I guess. Okay, this is what it looks like. Oh, let's focus on it. Yum! Man, I bet you could just smell it from the video. It smells like cat food. Maybe we'll give him some pears. He likes pears. Okay, I need to open the jar. Okay, buddy. Here, let me take that away. Oh, I know, it looks so good. Okay. He's already cringing. Oh, this is a little bit better. Oh, that's better. Yeah, that's better. There, yeah. He's like, I want some more of that stuff. He loves green beans and carrots and pears had bananas and sweet potatoes. Yeah, he's a pretty good eater. That was his first time having actual meat, though, or poultry, I guess. Here. Oh, yeah. I'll open for that one, Mom.